preparation of oxygen from hydrogen peroxide. The experimental setup has a conical flask containing manganese dioxide, which acts as a catalyst. To this flask, fit a cork through which the tube of the thistle funnel is passed. Thistle funnel has a tap, and it is filled with hydrogen peroxide. The other tube leads to an inverted gas jar over a trough of water. Now, allow hydrogen peroxide to be added dropwise into manganese dioxide. Two molecules of hydrogen peroxide, in the presence of a catalyst manganese dioxide, break up into 2 molecules of water and release a molecule of oxygen. Released oxygen passes through the tube, then over water, and starts getting collected in the gas jar. This method of collection of gas is called the downward displacement of water. Summary. Thus, 2 molecules of hydrogen peroxide, in the presence of a catalyst manganese dioxide, gives water and release a molecule of oxygen.